Good evening, everyone. Very good. So today we are going to discuss about corporate social responsibility in business ethics, right? Social purpose of the firm. So what do you mean by corporate social responsibility? Why we are saying it's a corporate social responsibility?
They are doing some refers to the public.
Very good. They are doing some welfare activities to the public. So not only focus on the profit. Okay. So every organization they are doing some welfare activities. That is the name is a corporate social responsibility. For example, in Tamil Nadu, or if you take it as a Coimbatore, right, here in Coimbatore, which company is the number one the brand name for the corporate social responsibility? Santi. Okay. So in the Santi is what they are doing. Why we are saying it's the number one in the corporate social responsibility? Healthcare, right? For example, they are having some hospital and also they are having the medicines. It will be in low cost. They are selling to the customers. Other than that.
So they are also selling food in low cost.
Exactly. They are having the hotels and also they are selling the cost is very, very low. For example, Italy and every vegetarian foods are there, but the cost is very, very low. Right? And also petrol. You take this in the Coimbatore. In around Coimbatore, your cheap cost you are doing that Santi case. Okay. So now you got an idea about the corporate social responsibility. So what are the companies, for example, you take it as a Tata or Tech Mahindra like that. In your point of view, which company is the best for the corporate social responsibility?
So Tech Mahindra,
Tech
they are
Mahindra.
providing education
Exactly.
and as well as hospitality.
Very good. Providing education and also they provide house to that those who are having their poor. Actually. Then other than that.
So Google is building a sustainable software technology, sir. The
Right.
vision is that carbon-free society in 2020.
Exactly. Right. Okay. Very good. So 2024. Right. So everything it will be in the eco-friendly. Okay. That's only the aspect for the corporate social responsibility. So these are the things we can discuss in the corporate social responsibility. It's related to the term corporate governance. So what do you mean by corporate governance? Why we are saying it's a governance?
Governance, control.
Exactly, control. Right? Control or administration or you're going to manage. Right? That's a corporate governance. So if you're going to control, so what are the three levels of management in the organization? Three levels of management. Top level, middle level, and lower level. Right? So if you're going to control in the corporate governance, you're going to control all the activities in the organization by the top management. For example, if you take as a board of directors. Right? So who are all board of directors? In the top management people. So they have to control the middle level and also lower level. Right? Okay. So corporate governance is a system by which companies are directed and controlled, and board of directors are responsible for the governance for their companies. Okay? Any doubt? Okay. Who are all the parties in the corporate governance? We said top level, board of directors, owners, that is the manufacturer, right? You are the owners, and CEO, executives, and employees. So these are all covered under that corporate governance parties. Okay. So the four pillars are very important in the corporate governance. What are they? Accountability, then fairness, transparency, and independence. Right? Accountability means the board of directors. Okay. So they are only taking the responsibility to control that all the employees in that organization. Okay. So fairness means what do you mean fairness? Equal respect to everyone. Because some of the directors they are having that, some of the public they are having that low number of shares. Some of them they are having that high number of shares. So they have to treat that equally. Right? That's only they are doing that fairness. So what do you mean transparency?
We want to be transparent.
Little bit louder.
We want to be very transparent to our customer,
True.
our shareholders, or our employees.
Very good. So there is no hide anything. Whether it will be conflict or positive or negative, anything will happen in that organization. You can display that, you can inform to that particular board of directors, right? Maybe inside or outside. Okay, internal and as well as external, right? So last one, independence. So what do you mean independence? Some of them they are having that partly they are having to participate in that organization, right? Board of directors in the sense partly. Some of them they are having their internal, some of them they are external, right? So they have equal freedom to take a decision. Okay, so what are the four pillars of corporate governance? Accountability, fairness, transparency, and finally independence. Okay, now we clear about the corporate governance and corporate social responsibility. Any doubt? Oh.